Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all good and well. So I just got back from metal detecting in Evesham in Worcester. It was hard going, I'll tell you that much. It was a worked field. So because it's been raining so heavily, you'd take 10 steps and the mud would just cling to your boots. I think every 10 steps you were a foot taller. So yeah, it was really tough going. Found a few things though. So if we start with, you're not going to believe this, but I only found one button with shank, but just one flat button. I've been finding a minimum of 5 for the past few weeks. Put that in the jar. Non-metal detecting finds, just a few bits of pottery. I don't know anything about pottery, but maybe someone's watching that could say, oh, that is a piece of whatever it may be. So yeah, 3 pieces of non-metal detecting finds. Then we found a modern 2p. That says 1975. I didn't even realise 2p had been around that long. New pence. There's a thing, isn't there, with these new pence for a certain year being worth a lot of money, because it wasn't supposed to say new. It was supposed to say 2. But I think it was a later year than this. I thought this was a musket ball, but it's got a hole right the way through it. So, not sure. Is it one of them Roman slingshots? You know, the whistling ones, maybe? Or is it a bead or a weight of some sort? Let me know what you think in the comments. 2 bits of lead tat for the trebuchet. Part of a bullet casing. I don't think there's anything to be read on there. It's amazing how many bullets you find, given that we're a country where firearms aren't, readily and freely available. Now, interesting to find quite a lot of market tokens. So I've got 3 that say John Swift, Smithfield Market, Birmingham. I think these from the early 20th century, from what I can see online. But then, so you got that type, and then you got this type. I don't know if it'll come through on the camera. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah. So it says John Smith across the top, number 3. Not sure what it says along the bottom. CHARD something or other. Nothing on the back of these. But again, John Swift. Another one. Can we read the bottom? I think that says something different on the bottom of that one. So yeah, I think this is a market token as well. Nothing on the back. It does say GSH with an arrow. If anyone knows anything about that, let me know in the comments. Now, I was intrigued by this. So this seems pretty old to me. Not sure exactly what it is, but it's ornate on that side. So if you look at it from there, it's ornate. This bit is intentionally bent because it's ornate there. So it's some sort of hook. Maybe for hook, holding something, maybe a bag. Initially I thought like a sword hook or scabbard hook, but I can't find anything similar online. Interesting piece though. No, I won't put that on the best finds. I've got better than that. Not sure what that is. Bit of bronze. Now, we found a whole lot of coins. Some of them are in pretty bad shape, however. I thought that was Roman, but actually, on reflection, I don't think it is. I can see one there. Bit of Britannia's arm just there. Can't quite see the year. It's a George V though. This one I'm not too sure about. Pretty sure it's Britannia again, because there's this straight line here, so the date will be here. And then Britannia sits on a chair, but I can't quite make it out. Another coin, however, nothing to be seen on that one. I can see George there. So, probably George V, to be fair. Then one where we can clearly see George, it's the bullhead type, 1907. Another George, the 5th. Britannia's in pretty bad shape though. That side's really nice. That side's awful. We can make out to date though, I think 1912, 13. So that's that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins. Now, probably my favourite find of the day, and weirdly not the first time I've found one of these. This is probably the 3rd time, I think. Look at that. Nice little horse, missing the tail, but the feet, well, the feet are not there, but the legs are there. Love finding little lead animals. Got me chicken. Now I've got 3 horses. Not sure when these are actually from, if I'm honest. I'd probably, you know, if I had to guess, I probably would go early 20th century. If anyone does know, let me know in the comments. Find of the day, I'd say. And then finally, I thought this was a bird ring, but look at the size of it. So I'm not sure, to be honest. Could be, I suppose, off like a big bird of prey. Actually, this would be a good test to see if you've stayed till the end of the video. Leave a comment with that code. Show it you again. So there you have it, quite a nice mix of finds today. Unfortunately nothing super amazing, apart from the horse of course. Hope you enjoyed this one folks. If you did, drop a like on the video, maybe leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Did it again, nearly forgot to launch the tat in the trebuchet.